24 Prizm retail number 8. We'll grab one. Yeah, same many we got. Those black diamonds. Right, so yeah, Dave, we got 4 black diamonds left. Why, Johnny Rango. Thank you, brother. Ooh, Super Bowl Sunday. UNC Duke tomorrow. All right, Stoke. Look, everybody. Oh, Nakua. Corley Rook. Oh, Devin Singletary silver. Yes, sir. Old Jameer Gibbs. So Benson Rook. CJ. So Fireworks Green Ice. 2nd year. So Houston Cello. Teal CD Lamb. Yes, sir. Big game. Me and Sarge got a little bet going on. It's Burton rookie. Sarge, a big Duke fan. I'm sure he's going to be watching tomorrow. Well, way Scary Terry. Wrong Commander. It's a black and white checker. Hey, Quorum Rook. Just like in the Super Bowl, I'm not sure. I'll have to ask him. I'm sure he's on Seattle. G.D. Swift. I still think Seattle, but like nobody's giving New England credit. It's kind of scaring me. So Latu rookie. Kool-Aid McKinstry, the Green Ice Prismatic. New Orleans Cello. Andrews, Dallas Turner, so black and white checker. Ooh, big old slash going through it. Man. See it right there on the surface. Man, I think I trampled. That sucks. I'll get to Minnesota. Ethan, I'll get you a pack in the box code, Ethan. You won't send it in. Oh, Trice rookie. Oh, Jason Witten. So McCaffrey rook. McBride. Little 2nd year silver. Monster McBride. There's Monty. Little Darius Robinson base rook. Or like Nick Chubb, the black and white checker. Or Cleveland, Craig. Kale Milano. It's Jalen Polk. Wrong Pat. Oh, crap. Old Drake. TJ Jaquan Jackson, the Green Ice Rook. Oh, Tennessee Ethan. Little Reichard. Joe Milton, rookie. Ooh, Seawell, emerging green ice. Nice for Chi-Town, Ethan. Ferg, Ray Davis, Justin Jefferson. So fireworks green ice. Minnesota, Ethan. Yeah, so much green ice in those boxes. Advertise just one per. 4 or 5. Down to 24 retail, box 8. Jumping in, everybody. Number 9 is up.